Is your 2021-2024 Chevy Trailblazer key fob not working reliably? The issue is likely a dead CR2032 battery. First, confirm you have a CR2032 battery. It's a common 3-volt coin cell available at most stores for around $5 to $10. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin. Now locate the small notch on the side of your key fob. Insert your tool into the notch and gently pry the fob open. Be careful not to force it. A gentle twist should separate the two halves. Note the orientation of the old battery before removing it, positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the circuit board. Finally, snap the fob back together until it clicks shut. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your car. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, double-check the battery's orientation. Incorrect polarity is a common mistake. Also, ensure the battery is new and not expired. Old batteries may not provide enough power. If the fob case is difficult to close, check for any debris or damage inside. Clean gently if needed. Avoid using excessive force, which could crack the housing. Handle carefully. While a Chevy dealer might charge $50 to $100 for this service, doing it yourself takes only a few minutes. Consider using rechargeable CR2032 batteries to reduce waste and save money long term. Remember to dispose of the old battery properly at a recycling center. Regular battery replacement every 1 to 2 years ensures your remote locking, unlocking, and alarm features work reliably. If problems persist, consult your owner's manual for potential reprogramming instructions, though this is rarely needed after a simple battery swap.